First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Android device to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android device. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android device to make sure the connection is established. All data on your Android device will be scanned out. Click Contacts, All Contacts. You will see all contacts on your Android device. To edit Android contacts on PC, tick off the contact and click Edit from the right panel. Then you can edit the contact as you wish. When finished, click OK.